Yes, children, because this is the activity week, so we will learn the activity in mathematics, that is angle sum property of triangle. And to perform this activity, the material required: pencil, scale, then compass, then cutter, and one glue bottle. This material and color sheet. Color sheet, we have two color sheet here. So now we start the activity, and to perform this activity, first of all we will make two triangles of any size. Better you make the isosceles scalene triangle with any measurement. So we are making two triangles. Scalene triangle, better you make scalene triangle with the help of scale and pencil. So we have made this triangle. So mark its corner as the angles. You can take any radius, big one, small one, it is up to you. So this one you can change even radius for the second angle. It makes no matter. Then third one, you can make the third one. So label it. Label it as ABC. A, B, C. Right here also A, B, C. So make two copies of this triangle. That is why I have taken two sheets here. So two copies of same triangle. Cut it. So we have taken two triangles of the same shape, same size. These are called congruent triangles. So two triangles we have taken. Now cut the corner as well as. This we will paste, and the corners, that is why we have written A, B, C before cutting the corner. First this corner, then this corner, then this corner, all the three corners. Now take your practical file and paste all these things in the practical file. We have taken the practical file, paste the first triangle, this is my illustrated triangle, scalene triangle ABC. In which I have marked this angle, this angle, this angle, A, B and C. The second picture is this one after cutting. So paste this picture also. Now complete this picture with the help of pencil and scale.
ये आपने बनाया, बताओ।
Now the cutouts of the angles we will paste along the ray AB. And we will see that this is the first angle A along the ray. Then second angle B. You can put in any order. It is not mandatory that first you should put A, then B, then C. First A, then C, then B. You can put in any order. This is angle B. Then angle C. So here we will put the angle C, and we will see that these angles are forming a straight line. So it proves that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. And here on this page we will write the first heading, material required. Here the name of activity, topic, that is angle sum property. Of triangle. Material required, we have taken a scale, pencil, compass is scissor, glue. Then second heading, previous knowledge required. That is concept of line and angle. Then we will write procedure. So first heading, you can use different color pens, like you can write the heading with black and the matter with blue. So I don't have now this time now, so I am using the pencil only. You can use different color pens. So first heading, material, first of all the activity name, then material required, previous knowledge required, procedure. So here we will write the steps in which we have performed this activity. Like first step will be cut two triangles of any shape and mark its corner as angle B, angle C, angle C. Then cut out these corners, paste these cutouts along with the line AOB as shown in the figure. So you will see that the angles are exactly covering the line AOB. Then last observation, we observe that angle A, angle B and angle C are forming a straight angle. Then conclusion, we can conclude that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is our first activity. Perform this activity as I have performed. Next activity we will do in the next video. Thank you.